It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Ordinarily, this time of year, we're talking about the monsoon and daily chances of showers and thunderstorms, but unfortunately, all we're going to be talking about is the heat. That tops our weather headlines. Temperatures approaching 115 degrees later this week here in Phoenix. No real relief in sight either. Let's dive in and talk about it. Yesterday, 111 degrees the afternoon high, 90 the morning low, and it's all but a certainty that we'll now have our hottest July on record here in Phoenix. Outside now, here at 6:15 a.m., mostly clear skies, and we're at 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 59, relative humidity 36%, wind from the east at 13 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area, 77, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the mid-80s to low 90s. It's 96 in Litchfield right now. Goodness. The upper air look, high pressure is the dominant weather feature and will remain so for the foreseeable future, sitting right over top of us here in the southwest, not allowing any of that monsoon moisture into the state. The only relief will be a few showers and thunderstorms here and there over the higher terrain of eastern Arizona, and even at that, not very likely. Here's the watch warning map. A number of red flag warnings and high fire danger continues here in the west, with heat advisories for the Pacific Northwest, the Middle Atlantic coast, and here in the southwest, we've got an excessive heat warning in effect for the Phoenix area from 10 a.m. tomorrow morning through 8 p.m. Saturday. That extends into much of western Arizona, southeast California, and up into the Las Vegas Valley. Here's the convective outlook for today. A marginal risk of severe storms along the middle and upper Atlantic coast. Here in Arizona, parts of the state in the green, but I really think the chance of any thunderstorms across our state today will be minimal at best. The look at the tropics in the Atlantic Basin, we've got a pretty impressive wave moving toward the Leeward Islands. And checking out the modeling on this system, this is Invest 92L, looking at the GFS ensemble. A majority of the models, although certainly not all of them, curve this out to sea before it gets to the east coast of the United States. The ensemble mean is the black line, and it just has it clipping the outer banks of North Carolina. But it's way, way too early to make a call on this. You just have to watch this. If you're anywhere from Miami all the way up to Boston, keep an eye on this system very carefully over the next several days. And out in the Pacific, we still have Douglas. This is now a tropical storm, continuing to weaken as it approaches the international date line. It will fizzle out over the next couple of days. And precipitation for the next 7 days around our state. Nothing expected here in the valley. Not a whole lot, really, area-wide. Generally under 1/4 of an inch in most spots. Of course, any one spot could see more than that, but for the most part, it looks like we are going to be entering a very hot and dry weather pattern, and we'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure here across the southwest, centered a little bit to our west, and that's certainly going to cut off the monsoon flow. So down at the surface, sunny skies and hot. Highs this afternoon, 109 to 112. Tonight, the skies are clear, the air mass relatively dry. The 3-kilometer NAM tries to bring dew points back up in the 60s. I don't know about that. Overnight lows mostly in the mid-80s to low 90s. And then tomorrow, high pressure right on top of us again, sunny and hot. Highs 110 to 113. The core of the heat should arrive on Thursday with the high intensifying just a little bit further, upper heights between 594 and 597 decameters. Highs somewhere between 112 and 115. Same thing on Friday. The air is dry. There could be a thunderstorm someplace over the higher terrain, but even that doesn't look likely. Over the weekend, the ridge might start to weaken ever so slightly, and that will nudge temperatures down a degree or two each day for both Saturday and Sunday. Highs closer to 110 by Sunday, but even at that, still looks like conditions relatively dry across the state. Maybe a few thunderstorms over the southeastern corner of the state. And same thing on Monday. Highs pretty close to 110, isolated storms to our south and east. All right, let's go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday the 4th. Not much change. High pressure still over the southwest. Looks fairly dry. Isolated thunderstorms over the eastern mountains, but nothing really promising for us. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Thursday the 6th. Now high pressure slides back out over the plain states in response to weak troughing along the west coast, and that would bring a small increase in moisture and the chance of showers and storms, but even at that, this is not a classic monsoon look, and so it would probably just be temporary. and temperatures would still be at or a little bit above average. All right, precipitation off the European ensemble. Boy, oh boy, this does not look good either. Most of the members show absolutely nothing. The ensemble mean is right there around 1/10 of an inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models, how about 115 degrees on Thursday and Friday? There's some guidance that suggests we might even be just a degree or two warmer than that. And overnight lows in the 80s to low 90s most days. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe, stay cool out there, drink plenty of water, watch your kids around the pool, and you guys have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.